intense conditioner that we have here at Carol's Daughter, and it's made with shea butter and rapeseed oil and olive fruit oil. And the Twee hair smoothie in particular has the Twee fragrance. Now, Twee is a word that means joyous and happy. So I always think healthy hair is happy hair. And the Twee fragrance is something that makes you feel happy and makes you smile. There's lots of fruits in it like banana and peach. There's beautiful florals like geranium and jasmine. And then in the bottom of the fragrance, the thing that sort of like rounds it all together, there's tropical coconut, sheer musk, and sugared raspberry. So if you haven't experienced Twee, you must take it into your shower and try it just to have that wonderful floral fruit experience. It's a great way to deep condition your hair every 2 weeks or every month, depending on how often you shampoo. You can use it as a pre-shampoo treatment if you're nervous about it being a little bit too heavy for your hair. You can do it before the shampoo process to try it out. And it's something that you can use whether your hair is relaxed or natural. It just is a great way to deposit moisture on your hair, really condition it, and really help to detangle it.